These two great Hawaiian men in the 1970s drove in their station wagon to the west side of Oahu in an area called Nanakuli. Nanakuli in Hawaiian means observe and be quiet. So they sat on the beach over there and they looked across the way to Makua. And they say that this man who wrote this song saw all the blue tarps blowing in the wind. Yeah, the blue tarps from Makua, where all the people squat on that beach. Yeah, and he wrote one of the most inspirational songs that is timeless. And we'd like to share our version. Country Comfort, Pla Pahinui, the Rough Riders.
Wind's gonna blow and I'm gonna go down on the road again. Woo! Starting where the mountains left me, I'm up where I began. Where I would go, the wind only knows good times around the bend. I get in my car, I'm going too far, never coming back again. Never coming back again. Tired and worn, I woke up this morning, found that I was confused. Sun right around, found that I lost the things that I couldn't lose. The beaches they said, built a hotel my fathers and I once knew. Where it's all along the sunlight at dawn, singing Wamanala blues, singing Wamanala blues. Sometimes it just seems that I'm just along for the ride. Some they will cry because they have pride for someone whose love here died. Someone whose love here died. Yeah. Take it this way.